Hi there and welcome to CTS. So what do we have in today's lesson? Well, let us see what we have. Today we're going to learn about those three famous letters www. And what do they stand for? They stand for World Wide Web. Okay, so let's see what we've got. Obviously, the first thing is we want to know what is the meaning of World Wide Web. Now, the World Wide Web is the part of the internet where most of the information we need is kept. Remember, in the last topic in CTS, we looked at the internet. Now, the internet is a platform where you can access information. Now, this information is held or it is stored on what is known as the World Wide Web. Okay, that is how we can explain it in very simple terms. So it is the part of the internet where most of the information we need is kept. Now the thing is, suppose you are looking for information on the internet. How are you going to find it? If you're looking for something, maybe you want to read something about what you learned in a science lesson. Maybe you want to learn more about the respiration system and you want to search for information. What tool can you use? You use a program that is called a search engine. So information on the internet can be found by using search engines. Now here is something you need to know about search engines. A search engine presents a lot of search results. So when you type a word into a search engine, you see a display of so many things, so many words. Okay? And what you need to do is you have to sift through these results in order for you to find what you are looking for. Yes, I know you are surprised with the word sift. What does sift mean? To sift is to search carefully through a lot of detail. So if someone says, let me sift through this information, what they're saying is, let me check carefully. I want to find what I'm looking for. Okay, now, you need to be you need to know examples of different search engines which are there. Look at this. Which one are you familiar with? Obviously Google, because Google is the #1 search engine. A lot of people use it to search for information. So there are different examples. There's Google, there's Yahoo, there's Bing, there's Yandex, and there's Ask. Different ones. Maybe you've used some of these, maybe you haven't used others, but it is important to know the different examples of search engines. And I'll bring that in the test, asking you about, well, what search engine do you know? Now, remember I said that when you search for something on the internet, so many words are going to appear. But I want to teach you 3 ways you can improve your search results. What I mean is to help you quickly find what you're looking for. #1, you need to use more words, more search words. So for example, if you are looking for the word or you are looking for the website for grade 7 online, if you're looking for a website for grade 7 online, if you just use the word grade or grade 7, you may not find very useful information because you are going to see different kinds of information which has the words grade 7 in it. What you want to do is to use more search words. For example, you can say grade 7 online, or if you want grade 7 online tuition service, then the results which will display will be very close to what you are looking for. Use quotation marks. Whatever word you are searching for, try to include them in quotation marks. For example, if you write grade 7 online and then you put them in quotation marks, what that means is whatever information will display, it will contain those words that you've indicated. So placing quotation marks around a phrase you are looking for will make the search engine look for the words in the order they appear in the quotation marks. Another trick that you can use is putting a plus sign in front of a word or phrase you are looking for. Now let us see how you can do what I'm talking about. So for example, here I'm in my Google browser and I want to search for grade 7. I said you can use quotation marks, meaning you type that and you type the word grade 7 online tuition service. So if you hit enter, you see what it is bringing. It is bringing words which contain grade 7 online, and well, very few pages have shown. But if I remove quotation marks, search results are many because it brings out all sorts of different pages. But another way is to put a plus sign. Like I mentioned, when you put a plus sign, it means whatever information should display needs to contain those words. Okay, so it includes something somewhat similar to what you're looking for. It won't be perfect, but these are tools which will just help you get something very close to what you're looking for. And if you put a minus sign, it means whatever search results have to display, you are telling the search engine, I don't want it to contain these words. So here you are saying minus grade 7 online tuition service. So whatever search results have to display, they shouldn't include those words. So you can see now whatever is coming does not have grade 7. Okay, so I hope that helps you. After learning this lesson, I want you to go to the quiz and answer the questions. Okay, see you in the next lesson.